So in this video we're going to be unboxing the HBHO 240. This is our industrial level of UFO High Bay. This one is 190 lumens per watt, so about 45,000 lumens. So it's really great for those higher mounting heights. And so let's open it up and I can show you what's in the box, what it comes with, and then some of the sold separately accessories that we can add on if needed. So here's the fixture out of the box. So the default optic is 120 degrees, which is good for the lower heights, and then we can go down to 60 degrees depending on how you're mounting it. So just, our lighting specialist can recommend the right optic, or if you can let us know what you're thinking. Also in the center we have a cap that comes off to add a motion sensor. We also do sell a dome for this as well if that's needed. And then on the back, see we have dimming wires if you're looking to dim. We also do have an eye hook standard, and we can sell a pendant mount that mounts on the sides, or a surface mount. So there's lots of different options for this. Again, great for warehouse lighting, industrial lighting, factory lighting. So reach out to us, we'll point you in the right direction and get you the right light for your application.